So let me tell you a little story. My wife bought this probably on clearance, this Micro Mechanic, for $9.99 from Bed Bath & Beyond. Normal price $19.99. And I've used it a couple times now, and it's accurate. Meaning I put it in the ODB2 port on her 2012 Toyota Prius, and then run a diagnostic on the phone. There's an application I installed on the phone that I know works with this. And then it will come up with a code, and you can select to email the code to yourself. And this one matched. It was a sensor. It had to do with shifting. And the problem that my wife was having was she had a P-lock error message that said to park in a level spot and put on the emergency brake. Here's a picture my wife sent me of her Prius's dashboard when all the error messages came up, including the P-lock malfunction. And here's a close-up of just the P-lock malfunction error message. And what happened was she actually had a bad starter battery. And I confirmed that by going to O'Reilly Auto Parts. And they graciously lent me a diagnostic tool that gave the same code. But also they then lent me a battery tester which said bad battery. So I purchased a battery and installed it, and now her Prius is working fine. What I want to do is clear the code because it was due to a malfunction due to the bad battery. I'm pretty confident. Because the shifting in the Prius is electronic. There's a little joystick right there to do your shifting. Alright, so I'm going to plug it into the OBD2 port now. And there it is. It's a little bit hard to film and do this, but I'm going to do it for you. Okay. So it doesn't really click or anything, but you just make sure that it's fully seated. Okay, I'm back in the Prius, and I'm going to put my foot on the brake, press the start button, which fires up the Prius. And it gets it into a ready state. No errors. So now I'm going to fire up the app on my phone. I'll put a little box here to say the name of the app because I don't remember right now. And then I'm going to run the diagnostics and do a screen capture so you can see what it does. Now I'm going to see if I can clear out that code. Okay, it appears that the clearing of the code is successful, so I'm going to turn off the Prius and remove the micro mechanic. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the Prius off and remove the micro mechanic. Hopefully the screen capture is clear on what to tap on to clear out the code. I've used this 2 or 3 times before, and the code that it comes up with matches the tester at O'Reilly Auto Parts, so it seems pretty accurate in my opinion. Well, I hope you like this on-location video out in the driveway in my wife's car, and if you get any value from these type of videos, if you want to hit like, that'd be great. If you want to subscribe, I'm just going to keep cranking out videos, especially as issues arrive and I find solutions and I think they're worth sharing. Why not share it with you?